Have you ever had a gut feeling about something? Turns out there's more to that phrase than you might think. Our gut and brain are connected in ways that might surprise you. This intricate network is called the gut-brain axis, and it's revolutionizing how we think about mental health. Let's start with some mind-blowing facts. Did you know that your gut contains over 100 million neurons? That's more than in your spinal cord. But wait, there's more. Your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiome. These tiny critters play a crucial role in your overall health, including your mental well-being. So how exactly does your gut communicate with your brain? It's like they have their own private hotline. This communication happens through the vagus nerve, which runs from your brainstem to your abdomen. But it's not just a one-way street. Your gut and brain are in constant dialogue, influencing each other in profound ways. Now let's talk about serotonin. You might know it as the happy hormone, but did you know that about 95% of it is produced in your gut? That's right, your intestines are a serotonin factory. This gut-produced serotonin doesn't cross the blood-brain barrier, but it still plays a crucial role in regulating your mood, appetite, and sleep cycles. But the gut-brain connection goes even deeper. The bacteria in your gut produce neurotransmitters like GABA, which help regulate feelings of fear and anxiety. These gut bacteria also influence inflammation in the body, which has been linked to depression and other mental health disorders. So, what does all this mean for your mental health? Well, it suggests that taking care of your gut health could be a powerful way to support your mental well-being. Now let's explore how you can eat right for a happier mind. First up, probiotics. These are live bacteria that can improve your gut health. You can find them in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut. Next, let's talk about prebiotics. These are fibers that feed the good bacteria in your gut. Foods rich in prebiotics include garlic, onions, and bananas. Don't forget about omega-3 fatty acids. Found in fatty fish, walnuts, and flax seeds, these healthy fats have been shown to reduce inflammation and support brain health. Antioxidant-rich foods are also crucial. Berries, dark chocolate, and leafy greens can help protect your brain from oxidative stress. Now here's something interesting. The Mediterranean diet, known for its abundance of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, has been linked to lower rates of depression. But it's not just about what you eat, it's also about what you don't eat. Processed foods, excessive sugar, and unhealthy fats can disrupt your gut microbiome and potentially impact your mental health. Interestingly, stress can also affect your gut health. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, which can alter your gut bacteria. This is why stress management techniques like meditation can be beneficial for both your gut and mental health. Here's another fascinating tidbit. Exercise can positively influence your gut microbiome, so that post-workout high might be partly thanks to your happy gut bacteria. Now let's talk about the future of gut-brain research. Scientists are exploring the potential of psychobiotics, probiotics that may have a positive effect on mental health. Some studies have even shown that fecal microbiota transplants, yes, you read that right, could potentially help treat certain mental health conditions. The future of mental health treatment might be in your, well, you get the idea. It's important to note that while the gut-brain connection is exciting, it's not a magic bullet. Mental health is complex and influenced by many factors, including genetics, environment, and life experiences. However, understanding the gut-brain connection gives us a new tool in our mental health toolkit. It empowers us to make dietary choices that not only nourish our bodies, but potentially support our mental well-being too. In conclusion, the gut-brain connection reminds us that our body is an interconnected system. By taking care of our gut health through a balanced diet rich in probiotics, prebiotics, and nutrient-dense foods, we may be able to support our mental health in new and exciting ways. So are you ready to eat your way to a happier mind? Your gut instinct should be saying yes.